Yo, what's good with y'all? So for today's video, we got a little bit of a different type of video. I'm gonna be getting my friend's reaction to my C7 Z06. My C7 Z06 is a 2015 if you guys are new here. But basically, I'm getting all my friend's reaction from the day I picked up the car. I'm gonna make this a series, so I'm gonna get like all my friends' reaction to my C7. So this is gonna be part one of everything.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Congrats.
Got 30. That fool drove it like 6 hours.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. All black interior.
It's hard. Hard, bro. He drove it all the way?
Yeah. It's 5 hours. And then he drove to Lebec and then drove 2 hours this morning. Left at like 6:15.
Damn, bro, it looks so good. But turn off the AC like when you drive.
Why? That heats it up more?
Nah, it's just better, bro. Like,
Oh. I didn't even know that shit could pop. That was the first time I did that shit.
you go right, go right, go right. Yeah.
Bro, once I put a fucking exhaust on this bitch, that shit's gonna sound nasty. You can't really hear the superchargers though, huh?
Yeah, you could, a little bit.
You gotta put like, which, should I go that way?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Z06, boys.
That shit is crazy. I just haven't got used to like, I don't want to scrape this bitch, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to figure out like what I could hit, like driveways. I'm still driving it like my Z, because I'm like fucking scared. That bitch just wants to go, bro.
Like the C8, bro. They just want to dip, bro.
I shit don't want to drive fucking 30 miles per hour. I shit want to go. Alright, now we're about to see for real.
Alright. Damn.
Oh,
Shit just gone, bro. It's up to sure now.
I'm scared too.
This shit just wants to go. Damn, bro, you need some B-locks for sure.
So my boy James just pulled up. I'm about to get his reaction. It's his first time seeing the vet, so I'm gonna get his raw reaction right now. See what he thinks. This is the guy that got me into Corvettes, so we'll see what he thinks. I FaceTimed him. Here's my mechanic. He's showing me what to look for on the car, so but see right now.
Oh my god.
What do you think?
Bro. Holy
That shit badass, huh?
dog. This is fucking nuts. This is fucking crazy.
You wanna hear it?
Yeah? What the fuck? I've been waiting.
Full stop. Full stop.
3LZ, right?
Yeah, 3LZs.
Can I sit in it?
Yeah.
This fucking thing's comfortable.
Nah, yeah.
Super comfortable.
I really like it, bro. I might like it more than my Subaru, to be honest.
I don't blame you. That fucker sounds good, dude.
Do I move this? I give you a ride?
Please.
Luckily, this shit don't scrape too bad.
That's good.
Bro, I've been spinning 85, 90, bro. I have not gone past fourth gear.
Difference. Oh my god.
See what I mean though? Like, that shit spins like crazy.
Crazy. Shit.
Oh, and I gotta turn the rev match on with this.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Oh my god!
That was the fastest I've ever gone. Oh, fuck. Turn on a DB.
Shit, dude.
Shit moves so hard.
This
for
shit
stock.
fucking eats. Just the headers and fucking just a cold air in a tune. Oh fuck.
Yeah, this shit will move.
I can't imagine this thing if it actually hooks.
Yeah, dude, the traction just turns on every single time.
The fucking traction is all ding ding ding
It's
ding
just
ding.
lighting off literally the whole time.
Dude.
It's like the car wants to go, but it's not fucking hooking. I just imagine if I was in like no traction, that shit would like
Bro.
I would fishtail like a motherfucker.
Dude, this shit would be scary.
I'd probably be sideways all over the road.
100%. How much do you get on a full tank?
Fuck. Like 18 miles.
That's about right. 18 miles with your foot in it?
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Depends how heavy my foot is.
Yeah. Are you adjusting to how fucking long the front end is?
Yeah, like drive-throughs.
Mm-hmm.
I was like getting scared.
The front ends on these things are fucking long. Dude.
Yeah, I've never drove a car like I've drove like little cars, you know.
Yeah.
The biggest thing is probably the truck, but the truck, like I could drive over everything, so it's like, yeah, I'm getting. So right now I got my boy Alex in the car.
Yo, what's good?
I've given him a ride in the car, like a couple times, like 5 times, but I've never stepped on it. I'm kind of saving it for this moment.
Yeah, I want this to be my genuine reaction. I don't want to fake none. So every time I've been in this car,
no scripts,
I've just, you know, he's been keeping it
chill,
low RPMs type.
But I'm about to do a couple pulls with him, go up and down in Mexico real quick, show him like the actual power, because I literally haven't stepped on it with him. And he's been in my Subaru, right? You've been in my Subaru? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I think his STI is probably the fastest car I've been in.
And that was when it was making like 700, right?
Yeah, it was making like
715.
Yeah, somewhere around there. Yeah, that car had hella lag, so it was very.
Nah, it's nothing like this. Like, this is straight torque, bro.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying, like, in the other video, this is just fucking straight torque.
Yeah, I've driven a C6 and it's very, like, just all the power is right there. Crazy, bro. It's like your head is literally like sunken back. That's crazy.
That shit's way more torquey than
Oh hell yeah.
the Subaru.
When the Subaru hits full boost, bro, nah.
That feels like fucking.
This car is fast, but his STI is actually like crazy.
Yeah.
Like as soon as boost hits, I think I have a video. I don't know if you want to throw it up on the screen.
Yeah.
God damn, that shit pulls you back. That shit's so fucking fun, bro. I literally screamed when he hit boost. I was not expecting that. With this, it's kind of like it's hella torquey, but it's like a good amount of power.
Yeah. I feel like this is like it's quick, but like my Subaru is like fast. You know, like
yeah,
it's like a different.
Yeah, this is quick for sure, but this is just like.
This is just instant. It's just, but once like it hits a gear, it's not. It like kind of just feels the same.
No, yeah, for sure. This shit's fun, dude.
No, it's just not that bad. It's not like when
Yeah,
you
it's
hear
not-
the actual tires like spinning.
No, yeah, for sure. I thought when you said that like it spins like a lot, I thought it was like gonna be like that ass like spinning hella.
No, it's just
it's like very like manageable, I think.
oh yeah.
But obviously to like someone who doesn't
Oh yeah, that
drive
doesn't know
like,
how to.
like
I feel like the only
fast
reason
cars.
I know how to control this car like already is because like my
STI.
Subaru.
Yeah.
Obviously it's a rear wheel drive car, but it's like it literally feels the same as long as you don't have traction off. So.
No, for sure. No, if you
But
turn,
if I turn traction,
if you turn traction off,
I don't know.
I'm
I'm not gonna know what the fuck to do. To be honest.
you're end up on a Clips channel.
Nah, deadass. Now that you're reminding me, like the Subaru, like was a different feeling than this.
Bro, no, I'm telling you right now, as soon as you start driving the STI again,
I'm gonna forget.
and then you get in, and then you get in this car,
Oh,
you're
it's
gonna be
gonna
like,
feel
dude,
slow.
this thing's fucking slow.
Fuck.
I'm gonna tell you that right now. That's exactly what's gonna happen.
And then you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna want to go full bolt on this shit.
You're gonna wanna go full bolt on E,
Nah.
fucking bigger pulley. This is
This is quick. I'm
quick,
not gonna
bro.
lie.
It's quick.
I have another video coming. The car held its own. I'll say that for sure. It's gonna be coming within like probably the same week as this video. I won't say too much, but y'all will see how this car performs. Got another surprise coming for the car. I said I was gonna keep the car stock, but that's probably the biggest lie I've ever told myself with getting cars, keeping a car stock. But I feel like that's the same thing for everyone. They're like, I'm gonna keep this car stock, and then like they drive it for like a week, and they're like, oh, I can do this, I can do this. This car is just too quiet for me. It's like it doesn't sound like a mean ass Corvette, you know, like.
Because maybe I got one more thing to say. I was expecting this thing to be faster.
What?
Swear. Am I cooked? Am I fucked up?
Nah.
Cause it's fast, bro.
It's
Don't
fast.
get me wrong, it's fast, but I don't know why I was like, this shit's about to be fucking. I think I'm just comparing it to your STI,
Nah,
bro.
I mean, it's stock, bro. It makes only 580. After being in my Subaru, like,
Yeah,
nothing's gonna feel fast anymore.
yeah.
And I only went to third gear. Yeah, but bro wanted to record that. You know what I'm saying?
just
If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you guys subscribed. We're super close to 2,000, and right now we're at like 1911, so we're super close. It's only the 10th of the month, so I was trying to hit it before the end of the month, and it looks like we're gonna hit it like in the middle, maybe off this video, who knows. I'm gonna keep pushing out content. I do have like 3 new videos for you guys. My next video is probably gonna be taking my C7 to a car meet and a roll night, so it's gonna be like a 2-in-1 video. That video was super fun to make. I got a lot of races in that video, so I'm excited to drop that one and edit that one. I'll probably have it done this week. Try to push it out for you guys maybe within midweek or like the weekend, depending on how much content I do have. Also, I did pick up a new mod for the car. I'm gonna be throwing it on this week, so maybe you guys will get 3 videos or 2 videos in the week, depending on how like fast I can edit and how the video comes out. So I'll see how that plays out. But that's basically it for this video. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Like I said before, make sure to drop a comment what you guys think of the reactions of my friend's reaction, and if you guys like this series, I'll keep it going. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.